morning, you guys. So I'm on my way to Starbucks to pick me up some coffee. I just woke up, so I will be going to the salon today. I definitely will be bringing you guys with me. Happy New Year's. We have now made it to 2023, and Happy New Year's to you guys. So today, I want to tell you guys about some of the things that I will be doing in 2023 with the salon. I am looking for someone to add to my to go to hands. So if you are a licensed hairstylist located in Houston, Texas, please take advantage and put in your application. We do ask that you at least have 1 year experience in doing hair. Your license must be updated and up to date and valid in Houston, Texas. And also, if you don't have any experience in doing hair and you are a new stylist, then some things that we will look for is a strong history in customer service. That's also a great benefit as well. So if you are a stylist, or if you even know a stylist located in Houston, Texas, we are on the West Chase side, then please let them know. Here is the information right here, and of course I will have that information down in the description. And another thing, we are selling color. So if you are interested in purchasing color, then of course you can go on the website and to purchase the color. It is on a discounted price. It is $4 for each tube, and that information will be down in the description as well. So okay, now that I have done all that, but as you guys can see, I made a change for 2023. I decided to relax and cut my hair because I just wanted a change. But I do want to make a video on do I regret it? I've done all that, and so I'm on my way to Starbucks to get me some coffee, and I will be bringing you guys with me. And yeah, let's go do that, and then we will be headed to the salon. I sit here and I just reflect on 2022, like the highs and the lows, and what I seen in the salon suites and things about that and sort and everything like that, is that I've seen a lot of stylists come, I've seen a lot of stylists go. I know we're wrapping up this year, and a lot of stylists are moving out the salon suites and stuff like that, and that just comes with the nature of this business. Opening your own business is definitely hard, you guys. It's definitely hard. You definitely got to keep a positive mind, but you also got to be a great steward over your money, especially when it comes to doing hair, because you could be in a position in 1 month you can be bringing in thousands of dollars, right? And then the next month you could be bringing in nothing. Like, you never know the whole nature of this game. So one thing I took from 2022 that I would tell you guys is to always have a savings account. Have a savings account. Have a savings account. Have a savings account. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Definitely, since we are coming up on a recession, they say. But I do speak in the name of Jesus that my two go to hands, regardless of what the economy is going through, my two go to hands is always going to thrive and always going to come in on the better end of that, no matter what. But honestly, I can let you guys know, you being a stylist can be scary. It can be scary. It's so many layers of that, like making the right decisions for your business, thinking about your customers, thinking about yourself, thinking about just the safety of dealing with the public. Sometimes can be scary because as a stylist you do deal with the public and you do interact with new people a lot, so you don't know, so that end can be scary as well. But truly, like I said, to go back to what I previously was talking about, you have to be a great steward over your money to succeed in this business, because talent will only get you so far. Charisma will only get you so far. Having great customer service will only get you so far. But if you want to sustain yourself and have keep your doors open, you can't be frivolous with your money. You can't just be throwing it here, throwing it there. You must be very aware of how your money flow going, how you tracking your money. Are you charging the right price for your service? How much does it cost product wise for whatever service that you are charging this person? You need to incorporate that in the price that you charge your clients. Like, so many things, you guys. But I just want to lean more on, have a savings account for your business. Don't just rely on spending due to the fact you made so much money this month. I'ma just spend as much as I made. No, you need to have a savings account.